right now we all eat something, right? We need shelter in our life, our home. And home is not free, right? You have to buy home. And after buying also, it's not free. You have to maintain home, right? Electricity bill, water bill, and so many bills are there. New bills keep coming every year. And they keep increasing. So we have to do a job. So our dharma, kartavya, is to do a job, duty. Again, मैं duty पे गया था. So that duty we do, and that's important for us. We can't live without that. Sometimes some people are not happy with their duty. They are looking, where is my duty? And someone has to help them. कि आपका nature क्या है, स्वभाव क्या है? What your mind wants, and do that. You will be happy there, right? So people do duty, they are happy. Some people do duty, they are still not happy. The people keep changing jobs, right? People keep changing so many jobs nowadays. Now it has become fashion. It has become a style. If someone keeps in a company for 10 years, they ask, क्या हो गया? Why you stayed in 10 years in one company? Now you have to keep jumping. That's a style. So it's not a reality, it's not a real thing, but it's like even a reflection is considered as satya, truth. Truth means today is fashionable to keep changing. But the basic idea is duty should be one duty which you are fixed and you're getting your pleasure, the material pleasure from that. Some people, they do not want to do any physical duty, like the normal things. So people see them as maybe he is not very responsible person. But actually he may not be responsible. He may be responsible, but he is just not getting the real thing in his life. He is waiting for the right thing to come. And then he will progress. The example is given, I read in one book, nice. There was a very famous poet in Calcutta. Very famous. He was coming from a very aristocratic family. He had 8 to 10 brothers and sisters. And everyone was doing good in studies except him. He would get fail. In every exam, he would fail. And he would be considered as useless, do nothing. Because he didn't have some attraction for studies. He did not study at all. Right? So it is mentioned that in Bengal they have the tradition of birthdays. When they have birthday, then they go and ask for Ashirwad. In some places they say ask Ashirwad, and they keep a notebook and give the elders and they write a blessing to him. And they write, what you will become future, I will pray like this. Maybe some tradition like that. I don't know whether it's age-old tradition or the recent tradition, but it's a tradition. So he went around all his kaka, mama, chacha, everywhere. And everyone literally wrote, you are good for nothing, you will not do anything in the world. Because for so many years he was just failing. And somehow or other he came in touch with one of his good professors, some nice person in his family, in his school, wherever, which he explored that this person, he does not want to do regular things because his mind is too much into the understanding of literature and poetry and all. So he encouraged him, go ahead. So he went on to write poems. He became a very famous poet in Calcutta. So his mind was into poetry, therefore physically he was not much into job or studies. So people predicted that he would be a failure, but he went on to become the most important person, legends in the history of Calcutta, in Bengal. Because his mind was now Swabhav, they call it Swabhav. People always are confused, Mera Swabhav kya hai? What is my nature? And many times we consider nature means our mind. What does our mind wants? I'm not happy with this. My mind is not happy with this. I want ये मेरे मन के जैसा है, तो I will do like this. People say regularly, right? It's like we want such things. But this is not the end of it. We go beyond that. Even if you get something which is your man ka, the problem is it is not your soul ka. It is not the intrinsic thing, the spirit soul. That is very important. Right? Like for example, someone may do something which is man ka, as per his mind. But even there also he'll feel boring, right? And there also starts feeling, ye mera hi man ka hi hai na ye. That's also confused. If you do something which is man ka, by your mind, finally I have got, you see this world we always, finally I got my dream job, people say. Finally I got my dream wife, dream husband, my dream home. And in 3 years the dreams are shattered, And they have a new house, new job, like that. तुम्हारा मन का मिला ना, क्या हो गया? But because on mind platform, the satisfaction was not for the soul. So we have to raise to the more higher platform. Prabhupada says in the purport here, the highest platform is the soul platform. So we have to do dharma of the soul. So the dharma of the body is already done. Dharma of the mind is also done. Dharma of the soul is to connect with Krishna.